Ito po yung DTF machine po namin dito sa Tuguegarao. Ako po si J. Valencia, ang operator po ng DTF. Ito po yung nagamit ng 6 na araw na may total meters na 25. Ito po yung printer head. Ang huling palit ko ito is noong September last year po. Ito naman yung copying na may 80% good condition. Head clean. Nozzle check. Punasan ng wiper after head clean. Ito naman yung ink tank. Yung system level is tama lang. Ito naman yung ink tank area. Nakalilinis kahapon. AVR. And ground wire. Ito naman yung stock namin ng use. Unused. DTF powder. And DTF film. Updated naman ang aming daily monitoring. Daily output. Consumable withdrawal, and weekly physical inventory, and daily maintenance.